To create a neat French roll, you will need some hairpins and a hair tie. Start by securing your hair into a ponytail using the hair tie. Then loosen the ponytail and split the hair on the side of the head to create a little pocket. Gather up the ponytail and tuck the hair into the pocket, rolling the hair tie inwards into the pocket to conceal. This will create a volume bump at the top of the crown. Depending on your preferred style, you can keep this volume bump or gently bend and comb it over and tuck into the top of the roll. Hold secure with your hand. Insert the legs of the hairpin into either side of the top of the roll. Flip, catching some of the scalp hair, and insert into the roll. Repeat with another hairpin in the middle of the roll, or as many hairpins along the length of the roll as you need to find a secure hairstyle. Finish the hairstyle by evening out the top of the roll and smoothing the sides. This French roll technique can provide a great alternative to a classic French twist and will always be chic and elegant. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for real-time, step-by-step instructional hair tutorials using this product and many more. Available and proudly made in the USA by Good Hair Days, a woman-owned, family-operated hair accessories manufacturer since 1996.